How to fix cannot able to upload thumbnail image on YouTube. Now I will show you how to solve the problem. First open that image. Click on 3 dot. Click on resize image. In current my image is 2.1 MP and in new 1.8 MP. Click on save. Save the image. Now you can upload your thumbnail on YouTube. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open that image again. Click on 3 dot. Click on resize image. Type 720 and click on save. Save that image. Now you can able to upload the particular thumbnail image on YouTube. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.